Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Chisomibi, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a free $500 funded account that you can use to trade and also withdraw from. Yes, I've been able to claim this bonus and I'm already trading with it. So once you meet their terms and conditions, you'll be able to withdraw from it. Yes, so I want you all to head on to go and claim it. So let's get into the video as I show you all the steps. Yes, so if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Yes, the link to getting this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so for you to get the link, you just go to the description below. Then you're going to see something like this. Claim your funded account here, or claim your no deposit bonus here, or claim the bonus right here. Yes, so you just click on the link that you see there. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to my Telegram channel. As you can see it, this is what you're going to go through. This is what you're going to see. So to bring you over to my Telegram channel, so that is where you're going to get the link. Yes, so this is my Telegram channel, and that is where you're going to see the link. Can you get it? Yes, so that's how to access the link. And you can also join my Telegram community for more updates. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. So we're going to be inputting our first name, last name, date of birth, country, phone, email. Yes, then after doing that, we're going to agree to the policy, then we're going to click on submit. So let's do that. Okay, so as you can see, I've registered. So a code has been sent to my email. I'm going to be inputting the verification code right here. Okay, so this is my email right here. As you can see the code right here. Yes, so we're going to copy the code and we're going to paste it here. Then we'll click on OK. Yes, so you're almost there. As you can see it. So we're going to set a password to complete our cabinet registration. So let's create a password. Okay, so I've successfully registered, as you can see it. Okay, so we're going to be setting up a live account. So the account type will be standard account. Then the deposit will be USD. Then the leverage will be 1:500. Okay, so we're going to be opening a volume cash account. So we're just going to click on it. As you can see it, the account type. So we're going to be imputing a nickname. After doing that, we're going to agree to the terms, then we'll click on submit. Okay, so we'll click on submit. So I've gotten my login details. So we're just going to head on to MT5 or MT4. We can use anyone. Okay, so this is my MT4. So I'm just going to be imputing the name of the broker, which is FSCL Demo. Okay, as you can see it. So we're just going to click on it. Then we'll be imputing our login and password. So we'll click on sign in. Yes, so I've gotten it, as you can see it. I've gotten the free 500 funded accounts. This is it right here. So you can also get yours and trade with it. Okay, so this is a free funded account, but it looks like a demo account because you have to trade. And once you trade, the lot size that you get or the lot size that you trade is what will determine the amount that will be deposited into your account. Yes, so you can see the table right here. So let's assume you have 5 participants. Yes, number of qualified participants 5. Then the price fund will be $1,500 and the total lots traded will be 150. As you can see, Yes, so these are the terms and conditions that you need to know. So the bonuses are added within a few days after the end of the event, as you can see it. So only one participant can be registered. Yes, so you only have access to just one account, as you can see. So these are the terms and conditions, so you can just go through it. You can go through it. Anything you need to know about this bonus, you're gonna see it right here. So credit bonus funds are available on live trading accounts for 30 days. So just go through this. Just go through this. So if you know you got the bonus, just let me know in the comment section.